Hello everyone, welcome to BackTech Product. In today's video, I will show you the best wireless meat thermometer type, a modern cooking companion designed to bring accuracy, ease, and confidence to every meal. Whether you're grilling, roasting, or smoking, this tool ensures that your food is cooked to perfection without the stress of guesswork. Let's get started. Product features: remote monitoring and convenience. Enjoy the freedom to step away from the grill. With Bluetooth monitoring up to 328 feet, you can laugh with guests, prep sides, or relax, knowing your food is in safe hands. Dual probe system. Cooking for loved ones often means multiple dishes at once. With two color-coded probes, you can easily track different meats, giving each one the care and attention it deserves. Long battery life and quick charging. No one wants their tools quitting mid-meal. With up to 40 hours of power and a 2-minute charge that lasts 60 hours, this thermometer keeps pace with your biggest gatherings. IP67 waterproof durability. Life gets messy, but cleanup shouldn't. Made from food-safe stainless steel and ceramic, these probes are heat-resistant, waterproof, and dishwasher-safe, built to last for years of memories. User-friendly smart app. Think of it as your cooking co-pilot. With USDA presets, custom temperature settings, charts, and gentle alerts, the app ensures your meals are not just done, but done perfectly. Pros: remote monitoring gives you freedom to be present with family. Dual probes make multitasking effortless and stress-free. Long battery life means less worry, more enjoying the moments. Waterproof and dishwasher safe for easy, lasting use. Smart app simplifies cooking so you can focus on people, not just timers. Cons: Bluetooth range may shorten through walls or heavy interference. App setup can feel a bit technical at first. Probes are larger than basic wired thermometers. Final thoughts: the B4 BF40 wireless meat thermometer isn't just a piece of tech. It's a partner that helps you create meals filled with care, consistency, and joy. From backyard barbecues to Sunday dinners, it takes away the stress so you can focus on laughter, connection, and the moments that really matter. If you're looking for a tool that values both precision and people, this one is a truly thoughtful choice. Cooking should feel like love, not pressure. Ready to make every meal stress-free and delicious? Check the price link in the description. And don't forget to subscribe to Tech Product and like this video for more tools designed to bring ease, warmth, and joy into your home.